Have you ever heard the term the illusion of more opportunity? Let me break it down for you. Some people believe that more charts equals more edge. It just doesn't work that way. If you have not already learned it, not every currency pair works the same. Not every currency pair moves the same. Now, if you are not even just trading in the forex side, but you are trading metals or indices or shares, everything moves different. Everything has its own cycle. So, by you trying to add on more charts because you think you're going to have more edge in the market is just an illusion. And that illusion actually has to do with your human nature. Now, the reason why you're scanning all these charts and trying to find this opportunity is because you somehow like feeding that dopamine monster in the back of your mind, because you that makes you feel like you're actually doing something on the charts, because for some odd reason you have this idea that trading is hard work. I got to be doing something the whole time. No, you got to wait for your edge to play out. You got to take the trades that presents itself according to your edge. So now you sitting there waiting for this opportunity, and this dopamine monster in the back of your head is eating you up, saying you are not doing what you're supposed to be doing. As successful traders are hardworking people. Yeah, we are very hardworking people. We do a lot of mind and a lot of body, um, but most of our profits come from being patient in the market, taking our time, waiting for our edge to play out. And sometimes that can get boring, can get frustrating, because you want to make more money this year, but you kind of like you justify it by saying, if I take up more charts, take up more pairs, get more correlation, then I am going to be a lot more successful. Well, here is the reality. Most traders are not hunting opportunity. They're actually feeding FOMO. So 2026 is a different year, guys. Allow the market to come to you and stop chasing the market. You don't need more charts. You need to learn to wait for your edge to play out.